Every year, 450 million pairs of jeans are sold worldwide.
Every year, around 7.5 billion feet of denim fabric is produced.
It takes 2 pounds of cotton to make 1 pair of jeans.
Approximately 20,000 tons of indigo is produced just for the purpose of dyeing jeans.
Denim's dynamic appeal and street-ready attitude makes it a key feature for designers to leverage.
Look around, more than half of the people are wearing denim.
So we as fashion students decided to take this as an opportunity to understand why denim as a fabric has become so popular over the years. Let us take you through the journey.
हर सफर में हम ढूंढते हैं एक खास एहसास, एक उम्मीद, एक पल जो हमें खुद से रूबरू करवाए। लिखत नहीं कि हर कोशिश, हर जुस्तजू से उभर कर हम उस एहसास तक पहुंचे। अनगिनत लोग, उनके मुख्तलिफ ख्याल और उनके तजुर्बे से सीखने का ख्याल दिल को खुश कर देता है। ऐसी ही एक दिल को छू जाने वाली दास्तां थी कपास की।
But let me begin by this quote by Kabir, which is a quote that we often end such a narration with, because Kabir, he talks about how we should love in one of his couplets. And the quote goes like this. He says, "Preet करें तो ऐसे ही करें, जैसे करे कपास, जीते जी तो संग रहे, मरे न छोड़े साथ." And to me, I think these 4 lines capture the very essence of the relationship that the people of this land have had with this magnificent creation called cotton.
It was a sensorial experience as we got to touch and feel a variety of cotton samples. It was one of a kind as it added tactile value to the conversation.
मेरा हो मन स्वदेशी, मेरा हो तन स्वदेशी, मेरा हो मन स्वदेशी, मर जाऊं तो भी होवे मेरा।
मेरा नाम इंदु है। मैं 73 से चरखे का ही काम कर रही हूँ।
Spinning as a word might make us all look at one aspect of its creation. The process had a few stages, from twisting the yarn strand by strand to performing the act on takli, and then eventually understanding the skill of charkha.
We visited a denim mill, Ginny International, where we understood the nuances of denim as a fabric. The fast journey of fiber to fabric included carding, spinning, dyeing, weaving, and quality control. As we went about understanding the process, we realized the contrast between the fast and slow process. Being a part of hand spinning gave us a sense of calm, whereas walking through the walls of the mill was rather loud. एक जगह सी थी जो दिल में घर कर गई। एक रंग था जो गुजरते वक्त की तरह देखते देखते कब बदल गया पता ना चला। उस रंग से मानो एक रिश्ता सा बन गया जब उसे खुद के हाथों से महसूस किया। तब वो नीला हमारे हाथों का रंग बन गया। समझा कि उसे अपनों की तरह संभालना है, उसका एक बच्चे की तरह ख्याल रखना है। दिन गुजरे और रिश्ता मजबूत होता गया।
We covered right from the fiber to fabric making, as well as the nuances of style, finish and washes. And we also covered what goes into designing a denim collection, right from concept to consumer and eventually go to market.
We had these Levi jeans out there. We were having a physical interaction with them. We were flipping them over. We were able to see the details, the labels, the stems, everything.
Learning how upcycling is done or how different brands are involved. So I feel as an entire project it was really wholesome.
Hi.
Hi. Hi.
We are here to talk about 45 RPM.
To amalgamate our learnings from different parts of this project, we dug into various brands centered to denim. We conducted a comprehensive analysis with respect to the brand's identity, history, communication, equity, product offerings, and more. We took forward our analysis and iterated upon designs reflecting the brand's image. This was enabled through the approach of deconstruction and upcycling.
What I really liked was the project-based approach, that they follow, where they learn one thing, in a focused way, and they learn all the different nuances that are associated to that particular thing, rather than just going all over the place. So I think that was great, and I could see the hunger that they wanted to learn. They were receptive to feedback. They took that feedback forward and worked on their designs.
Obviously, it's very difficult to be 100% sustainable, but we are trying to do our best and, trying to be at least, if not 100%, but then 10, 15, 20% sustainable as a brand when it comes to India as a place. So we always had this idea of, reusing, redoing things, not throwing away, things as it is. So yeah, and it's a approach where we can use what is already existing before, discarding it.
Sorry. I'm so I don't know.
Denim's dynamic appeal and key ready. Sorry.
When you go there, it will be closer to the garment.
How will you describe this?